Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 18 to 24, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa tarot reading services ngayong November 2024. Ayan, so yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see what's coming to you. What's coming to you, Leo? Anong parating sa mga Leo this week? Guide. You are divinely guided, Leo. Maaring meron kayong there is a mentor na itong mentor na to, teacher, trainer, parang nagtuturo sa'yo, no? On which path to take. And I see you seeking for guidance. Yung tipong pwedeng you may be consulting with a therapist or a counselor or a guru, a teacher na tutulong sa'yo for enlightenment, for wisdom. Lalo na kung meron kayong pinagdadaanang challenge sa buhay. And there's nothing wrong with that. Actually, mas nakakatulong pa nga talaga yan. Na meron kang trusted na person that you can count on. Diba? Na kung merong kailangan mo ng advice or someone who will guide you. This can also mean your spirit guides. You are connecting with them. So, let's see what else, Leo. Ngayong week na to. Page of Swords. You have the Emperor. The Queen of Swords. The Queen of Pentacles. And the Ten of Swords. Oh. May dalawang Queen. So, I think, you are tapping into your feminine energy. Feminine energy is about accepting. It's like creating as well. So, pwedeng you are tapping into your creative talents, creative skills, especially pagdating sa career path mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Mas nagiging open ka to new ideas. Yung iba sa inyo nag-aaral, may mga research kayong ginagawa, with the Page of Swords. You are curious. Maaring meron kang gustong ma-master na skill or knowledge na ngayong week na to sisimulan mo siyang pag-aralan. Pwedeng yung iba nagsi-self-study. This can be related sa business or isang skills pagdating sa writing, literature, or design, graphics, anything na magagamit mo yung iyong talino. With the Ten of Swords, some of you are ending a situation or maaring you will realize na may mga tao sa buhay mo na kailangan mo nang i-let go kasi sila yung mas nagpapahirap sa buhay mo. So, this can be a romantic relationship, friendship, any connection that you feel na hindi na mag-work for you kung ipagpapatuloy nyo pa. Pwede kasing, yung pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng trust issues kasi itong person na to doing things behind your back. So, pwedeng sinisiraan ka sa iba or may ginagawang kalokohan, niloloko ka, ganun. So, maaring you will also be cutting off connection with someone na sa tingin mo ay hindi na karapat-dapat maging parte pa ng buhay mo moving forward. Maari kasing may natuklasan ka rin, no? You realize na this person is not really telling you the truth. Hindi siya totoo sa'yo. So, sa ngayon, you finally decided to cut connections with this person. Hindi siya magiging madali para sa'yo. But at least, meron ka pang lakas para magsimula ulit. Oo. Yung iba kasi talagang uubusin yung energy mo, yung lakas mo. At hindi mo na hihintayin na mangyari yon. Okay? There is definitely someone who's going to help you. Kaya nga may guide dito eh. You're asking for guidance. Pwedeng higher self mo yan. Your spirit guides are there. And you are taking back your power. Mas focus ka ngayon on developing yourself, improving your life. You have the ring. For me, itong ring na to, it symbolizes your commitment. Commitment to yourself. Your love for yourself. Okay? So, maaring you are focusing on self-love, self-care. Ayan, the sun is here. The sun is bright. Oo. So, kumbaga, tinan mo to, meron din siyang araw. 'Di ba? So, kahit na merong mga nakasaksak sa kanya na swords dito, swords kasi it represents thoughts. Yung mga iniisip, ideas. And maaring merong person na nang backstab sa'yo. So, nung nasa rock bottom ka, iniwan. Nakakainiwan lalo kung kailan kailangan mo siya. So, whatever this is, matatapos na yung problema mo na yan, yung challenge na yan. Andito na yung araw para ibalik ang energy mo, ang lakas mo, ang confidence mo. See, you have coffin. Coffin is about endings. It's time to release that chapter in your life and mag-focus ka na sa new chapter that is opening up for you. Oh my God, some of you are talaga may ika-cut off na person sa buhay nyo. Meron na kayong tatanggalin that is no longer serving your highest good. Pwede rin tong situation na alis kayo sa situation na yan because it's not anymore healthy for you. Iba may secret admirer. Ang nakikita ko rito, mga nagme-message sa'yo sa social media. But still, be careful, no? Scissors. Disappointment in some affair. So, I think ito yung disappointment na kaya you're going to cut off or end a situation eh. Dahil disappointed ka, may mga expectations ka and hindi na ibigay sa'yo yung expectations na yon. Teardrops. Personal sorrow. So, I feel like it might be challenging, no? Pero ito na yung last na for this chapter, ito na yung last na mahihirapan ka. Because it's about, kumbaga ito na yung time na you will recover. Okay? Para sa sarili mo. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Good luck.